Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Apps. This lets you control input services. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, then choose Default Apps or Keyboard. Once done, find the Swift key or Huawei keyboard entry in Installed Apps if present. You need to reach the keyboard selection screen to change input method. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked and nearby, because you will switch keyboards and possibly confirm permissions when prompted. Now change the default keyboard. Tap Keyboard and Input Methods or Default Keyboard. You will see available keyboards. Select an alternative such as Gboard or Huawei's built-in keyboard. Once the new keyboard is active, go back to Installed Apps, open Swift key and disable it or turn off its permissions. This removes Swift key from the input roster. If a confirmation appears, accept it. Doing so prevents Swift key from reappearing and ensures your chosen keyboard handles typing. Finish by uninstalling or disabling Swift key in the app settings. Open Swift key, tap Uninstall or Disable. If you prefer to keep it but prevent use, clear app data and revoke keyboard permissions. Once complete, restart the phone to ensure changes take effect and the new keyboard loads reliably. If Swift key still appears, return to default keyboard and reselect your preferred input. As a troubleshooting tip, reinstall then uninstall Swift key to reset its system registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.